Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this humidifier that comes with a remote controller that this brand sent to me for this video. I gotta say that I tried it. I've been trying it for a long time now, and I had it for a long time. And I think this one could be really good for example, for me, it's really good for my office, my home office over here. It's a big office, so it actually kind of like gives like a really nice purpose for that. But if not, this one goes up to 550 square feet, so it could be for like a living room. It could be for like an office. It could be for your kitchen or your bedroom if you like as well. Capacity, I'm going to show it to you working in a few seconds, but the capacity is actually quite good as well. It comes equipped with 2.64 gallons or 10 liters if you may. And of course, it also has the kind of like see-through window over here so you can see how much water it has left. It's a humidifier, not an air purifier, so take that into account because some people tends to kind of like confuse those two. This is to actually for the humidifying purposes, not to air purifying purposes. The remote controller, you have everything you need. You have the on and off button, you have a sleep function, which I think is pretty good, and you can turn off the light because this one comes with a kind of like not an RGB, but like a blue light over here that I think it could be, if you're sleeping or something like that, you may want to turn that one. And then it has a mist, a custom humidity. You can change the color of the light. Again, it's not a full RGB spectrum, but it has some colors. And of course, you can also put a timer. So that's another good thing, up to 6 to 10 hours timer in case that you want to work out with a timer as well. Let's take a closer look with this working. So I'm going to turn it on right now. And once that is turned off, you can see that you have the Fahrenheit, and you also have the kind of like the humidity, the temperature and the humidity on the room. So things that you can do, of course, you have this panel over here as well, and you can see that the numbers are going to keep changing, but you can actually kind of like custom this, of course, right here. So you can put it in the desired humidity that you want for your room, which we can keep like kind of like ramping up the numbers, but that is actually too much. So we're going to get it at 45. Of course, we can also change the color of the light over here. Let me show you. Down here, you're going to see the light as I was telling you before. So you can change the color. Actually, it's not kind of like changing the color as I was saying before. It's turning it on and off for that blue light. You also have the timer, remember that, and the mist volume. Let me actually see if you can see the mist a little bit. Well, yeah, more than a little bit. You can actually see it perfectly over here, which I think it is fantastic how this one works over here. So for rooms up to 550 square feet, really nice on the mist side. And of course, you have the digital display over here, as well as the remote controller and the 2.64 gallons with a lot of mist that you can manage for your room. I like it. I do recommend this one. Thanks for watching and see you soon.